Hey everyone, ever wondered where all your photos, emails, and even your favorite Netflix shows are stored? So, spoiler alert, it's not just your phone or laptop, it's in the cloud. So, welcome to Jumatrix, where minds innovate. So, I'm Nejma, and today we are talking about something that's changing the way we use technology, which we call it as cloud computing. So, from Google Drive to Netflix, from small startup to tech giants, everything is moving to the cloud. But why? And should you care about it? Yeah, let's gonna find about this more. So to begin with, so cloud computing is rapidly transforming from a digital space, right? So it's growing importance and it is becoming uncontrollable. It's a fact, right? So today we are gonna explore why business and individuals alike are embracing this cloud. So we'll discuss the concept more clearly. So to begin with, so yeah, we need to know what is a cloud computing is. So let me explain it very simply. Like we need to keep it simple to understand the concept. So cloud computing means storing and accessing the data over the internet instead of your personal device. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means storing and accessing the data over the internet instead of your personal device. So think of it like this. Instead of storing it all your photos on your phone, you upload them to Google Photos. Now, even if you lose your phone, your pictures are safe and accessible from your device. So the key idea for this is the cloud. The cloud is just someone else's computer, but it's like a super powerful and always available. So cloud is really something great, right? And like cloud computing delivers demand computing resources, just like I have written on the powerpoint. Like think of it like an electricity grid. You only pay for what you use, and resources like resources are always available. So we need to access onto scalability. So next we need to check everyday uses of this cloud computing. So this is something that we need to discuss. Like to begin with, like we can analyze with some real life examples of cloud computing. Like you might not realize it, but you use cloud computing every single day, and you need to know how you are using it, right? Okay, just imagine about the Google Drive and Dropbox. You store the files online instead of your own PC. So even in the case we are taking on the case of Netflix and YouTube also, we need no need to download the movies. You just need to stream from the cloud. And talking about the Zoom and Google Meet, video calls happen in the cloud, not on just the device. And if you're considering about the WhatsApp and Gmail, your messages and emails are saved online and not just on your phone. So imagine if there was no cloud, you would have to carry around hard drives for everything. Sounds exhausting, right? Yeah, that's the fact that why we have this cloud. So even for streaming, storage, social media, consider streaming these devices. And like if there is no cloud computing, how can we does this wax, right? So moving on to the next topic, like why business love this cloud computing, sorry. So like business love this cloud computing. Like companies are moving to the cloud fast, but think why. Let's break it down. Like cloud is actually cost saving, and speed and performance checking also, it's actually great. Security, scalability. So let me split it like this. If you consider the cost saving, we no need to buy expensive servers or just run the cloud space. That's it. And talking about the speed as well as performance, accessing files from anywhere anytime, that's something great, right? And talking about the security, this cloud services like AWS, like Amazon Web Service, and Google Cloud offer very top notch security. And talking about the scalability, businesses can expand easily without buying any new hardware. So just consider this example. Imagine you start an online store. So instead of buying costly servers, you can use this Amazon Web Servers or Google Cloud or Azure and scale as you grow. It's something great and perfect. So now we need to discuss what all challenges are there in this cloud computing. So for everything, there may be lots of challenges for everything. So, talking about it, like, is cloud really perfect? We need to check on that, right? So, cloud computing isn't without its challenges. Like, for everything, there are some potential challenges. So, talking about the internet dependency, also, no internet, no cloud access. So, private risk also, if your data is stored on someone else's servers, your security is key. And even in the case of cost, can add up, like pay as you go sounds good, but on the large scale use, this might be expensive. So we need to check, like, should you really trust the cloud? Yes, but be smart always, like use the strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and choose reliable cloud providers. It's something great. And next we need to discuss about, like, what are the future of cloud computing. Like, we need to check the future of each and every emerging technologies, and we should be aware about it. So, talking about the future of this cloud computing, the future of cloud computing is really exciting, just like it mentioned. But the thing here is, if you store files, like, okay, talking about the AI powered cloud itself, if AI, like in AI, will automatically storage and security at the basis of consistency. So, even if we consider about the edge computing, also the data processing cloud, so to user for faster as well as for speeds. So, considering the case of quantum cloud computing, super fast data processing using this quantum technology. So one thing is clear from this: cloud isn't going anywhere. Like, it's not getting bigger, or like it's not getting in that way. It's actually getting in a better version of itself. So the final thought I want to share is, like, yeah. So the final thought I want to share is, like, um should you really care about this cloud computing? Like, if you store files online or stream videos or use the social media, you're already using this cloud computing service. So if you are a developer or a business owner, learning cloud technology is actually a game changer. So if you are just curious now, like, you know why everything is moving to the cloud, right? So if you, I guess, would you trust all your data in the cloud? And let me know it's in your comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tech video from Geometrics, where your minds innovate. Thank you so much.